This is how kids develop ADD.
Seriously.
Give Ladybug a hug.
Ladybug.
Give Ladybug a hug.
Oh, isn't that a nice ladybug?
Nice deflated ladybug.
She likes it.
Do you love your ladybug?
It's got all those warning tags on it. It's sad to have to do that.
Like extra legs.
Mia, he looks dead. Can you say I love you? Can you tell Ladybug I love you? Did you say I love you?
Oh, hi, Ladybug. Over there. Oh, oh.
What you doing, Mia?
Yeah. Oh, hi, Ladybug. No trash. Go ahead, throw it away. You want to throw it away? You throw it away.
She's
Mia,
like, no, you
Mia, throw it away.
Mia, you throw the trash away.
Mia, throw away trash.
Good girl. Wave in front of it. Wave in front of it. Put it in the trash. Wave in front of it. Okay.
It was close. It was close enough. We had to get the automatic sensor with it. She kind of doesn't like, so I have to keep it open.
Oh, she doesn't like it? I thought she liked to.
It's fine as long as